In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure SAML single sign-on for Zoho Desk with Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, navigate to Google Workspace. This is your hub for Google's collaboration tools, and you'll need access to the admin console to proceed. Look around for the admin console option and give it a click. Once you're inside, find the Google Workspace dashboard. It's your central command packed with all the essentials you need for managing apps and users. Now within the dashboard, direct your attention to the apps section. Clicking here takes you to a new menu where you'll find an array of pre-integrated and custom applications. Continue by selecting web and mobile apps. This option is crucial because it lays the groundwork for you to manage and implement applications that your users will access through SAML. You're ready for the next step. You'll want to click on Add Apps. This is where you'll begin to customize your SAML settings specifically for Zoho Desk. You'll notice an option to add a custom SAML app. This part is especially important because you're setting up a streamlined login process for your team. Keep in mind, if you haven't already verified your domain, you'll need to complete this step before proceeding. Verifying your domain is like adding an extra layer of security, ensuring only authenticated users have access. After selecting Add a custom SAML app, you'll be prompted to input some details specific to your app. This includes fields for the name and description, which aid in identifying the application within your dashboard and for your users. Fill these details in diligently, as this information will help you and your team navigate and manage the application effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've configured a SAML single sign-on for Zoho Desk within Google Workspace, enhancing both security and accessibility for your users. It's worth noting that the simplicity of configuration here doesn't come at the expense of security. SAML SSO is a robust solution that allows users to access different applications with secure and seamless authentication, which significantly reduces password fatigue and boosts productivity. That's it for today, a quick yet powerful way to integrate your systems. If any questions arise or specific prompts appear during your setup, consult the helpful guides within the Google Workspace support documentation. They provide in-depth information and extra assistance should you need more guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore the full range of powerful tools Google Workspace offers to further streamline your team's workflow.